Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Bike Flex. My name's Max, and today we've got a 2022 Honda CBR 650R. Before we take a look at the bike, let's take a few minutes to learn a little something about the rider. Today's rider goes by the name of Finch. Finch, thanks for bringing the bike out today, mate.
No worries.
Appreciate you. So let's start off with the usual question of you telling us the first bike you learned to ride on.
When I was 16, so I got a Piaggio 50cc moped, little two-stroke thing, and it kept breaking, so I had to fix it. And then as soon as I turned 17, I just got a little Honda CBR 125F.
Oh yeah, I know the ones, yeah.
Yeah, and that was sort of, I rode that back and forth into London. Well, yeah, I had it for a year, and it's sort of what kicked off my sort of like bike life.
So what, did you go from there, from CB2 straight to the A2? Because you're currently riding around on an A2 license.
Yeah, yeah.
So did you go from the CBF 125 to this? I know you got an RS 125, haven't you?
Yeah, so yeah, after I had the CB for about 2 or 3 months, it got a bit boring. You know, it's just a 125 4-stroke. Yeah. And the old boys at work were sort of helping me out with bikes, fixing them and all sorts. So I got to learn about the old school classic 2-strokes.
Got like a 2-smoker, isn't it?
Oh, yeah, it's different class.
The MRSs are really fast as well, aren't they?
Yeah, yeah.
For what they are.
Mine clocked 108 or something.
108?
Yeah, I think 98 GPS, 100 on the dash.
Yeah, man, can't complain with that, can you?
Nah. 0 to 60 in 6 odd seconds.
Nice. So, was it the RS 125 straight up to the CBR?
No, so I had sold the CBF, and then I bought a CB 125R, a bit more sporty, bigger tyres, a bit more of a sort of nicer feel, you know. And then I wrote that off.
A daily rider, innit?
Exactly, yeah, nice and comfy. Pretty slow still, but at least it's comfortable. And then I wrote it off into the side of a Prius. Side of a Prius? Yeah, I was just overtaking, you know, classic. No one, the guy didn't look in his mirror, pulled it straight out. Yeah, got paid out, bought another CB 125R, had that for 6 months, and then traded it in for this when I did my licence at 19.
Very nice. How long have you been on this now then?
10, 11 months now.
Oh, okay.
So
still fairly fresh to you then, this bike?
Yeah, fairly fresh. I've done 20,000 miles in 10 months, so.
I bet it's a bit of a jump going from the CB 125 up to this, was it not?
Yeah, well, I've been riding around on my friends' bikes because I got into the bike life in London, you know, made a few friends, and obviously they trust me, so they let me have a go on M207s, 636s, that sort of thing, you know.
Do you have any plans to do your full licence and what to move to?
Yeah, so I can do my full licence at 21.
Okay.
It's been about a year.
Okay.
Hopefully I can insure 5 blades, that's the ideal. Yeah. But we'll see if I jump on a naked bike or something more stunty. All
right then, how about you talk us through some of the mods that have been carried out on the bike?
Yeah, can do. I've got a flip and dip tail tidy, of course. I've got a tucked up systems integrated rear light. Obviously stock seat cowl. RNG sliders, which have served their purpose well.
They've been tested by
the look of it. Tried and tested on track.
You're taking this on track then?
Yeah.
What track did you take it on?
I took it around Brands to do my ACU race licence.
Oh, okay, so you got race licence and all that?
Yeah, got the race licence. And then I took it around Snetterton the first time, which is where these scars come from. And then Snetterton the second time is where these scars come from. So.
They're both low sides?
Yeah, coming out of hairpins, just too heavy on the throttle. So these are usually silver, this is silver. But I got the GB Racing crash protection.
You see, you got that Krapovic, is that just a slip-on or is that a full,
so it's
full system?
Acura titanium full system.
Baffle out?
Yeah, baffle out always.
Always.
And I had it painted black too.
I was going to say, I noticed the black headers, they look nice.
Yeah, so just to match the aesthetic really, I wanted to sort of murder out, make it as clean as possible.
It's a really nice touch that, I like that.
Thank you very much.
Don't see that too often.
All Cerakoted. Yeah, no, I just slapped a sticker on it that looks a bit better than standard.
Yeah, nice. So you've got the crash protection, got the flip and dip, got the rear headlight, the seat cowl. You got anything you plan on doing with it? Any other upgrades?
Well, I sort of, when I got the system, I was planning to get it all tuned and fully gone through it. It's got a KN filter as well, KN race filter.
Oh, okay. Breathes a lot better then.
Yeah. And I was planning to get it fully tuned, full Woolwich race system, you know, mapped. That's about it.
I like it, man. I really like it. Right, so we've spoken to the rider. Now it's time to take a more detailed look at the Honda CBR 650R. Time to hit the road for a POV raw ride for that pure, authentic experience. a wrap. Thanks to Finch once again for bringing the bike out and let us take a look. Cheers, brother. If you're liking the content and want to be kept up to date, make sure you like, comment, share and subscribe. And if you want to feature on Bike Flex, DM us on social medias or email below. And remember, if you want to flex it, we want to see it.